Hi everybody, welcome to my cooking show. Happy Thanksgiving. Today we're making chocolate donuts.
Alright. So first, what are we going to use? You know what that thing's called? A mixer. So we're using a mixer.
We're going to use a mixer.
I'm a big girl.
I'm big.
Alright, ready? Okay. Okay. First, we need to do half a cup of water.
A half a cup of water, so I dump all of it in.
Yep.
Put it in.
Good. Third of a cup of milk.
A third of a cup of milk.
Yes. And
2 eggs.
okay, now crack it in this bowl in case we get shells. Crack it in this bowl. And open it.
Put it in there.
Yep. And then we'll dump it in.
Can I get shells?
Put it in here.
What?
Good.
Can I get shells in it?
No?
Okay.
Ooh, saved you.
And we're gonna use another egg because you need 2 it says on ingredients. Tap tap.
Okay, watch out.
Can I wash my hands?
Yep, wash your hands.
I'm gonna be right back, everybody. I gotta go wash my hands. And we're back.
You just dump your eggs in the bowl. Oh, dump your eggs in the bowl.
I have to dump my eggs in the bowl, right?
Yep.
Dump them all in. Ooh, an ingredient.
Alright, let's mix this bad boy. You ready?
What bad boy?
This bad boy.
Okay.
Yep, now shut it off. We got it all mixed.
We got it all mixed.
Oh.
Now we gotta put the chocolate in, right?
Yeah, and the flour.
Yeah, it's gonna be really yummy with my chocolate donuts. Just take the bowl out.
Can you see what I snuck in there? Some
Sprinkles.
alright, you ready? Want me to
Can
dump
you
it?
send it this casserole?
Sure. You see the sprinkles?
Yep.
Alright.
Shout out to my best friend Kessa. She loves sprinkles. Okay, let's mix it up.
Mix it up, sis. It's on one again, okay?
Oh, is that enough?
Yeah.
What?
I think you did it too.
Did I?
Okay.
Sometimes I make mistakes.
That's okay, right?
Yep.
You want to tell us a story while this is mixing?
Oh, I almost found the chocolate.
Chocolate bath.
Hey, now take
Looks mixed up.
yeah.
Alright, want you to shut it off for a sec?
Yep. You push it backward.
Okay.
The switch back here so we can put it backward. Like, Mom?
You betcha.
Mommy, what all those numbers mean for?
It just makes it faster and faster, but we don't want to go that fast because then it'll go flying.
Yeah, flying like I open like it's gonna go like.
And then Mom has to clean the kitchen again.
Yeah.
We don't want to do that.
Yeah, we want to make a nice pool. What's this?
Oh, see, there's some more powder, so that means we need to mix it a little bit longer.
Yeah. Should we do this in here?
Yep. Just want to make sure I got everything off the bottom.
Okay.
No, just right. If you turn that on, all that chocolate's gonna go.
Wing, wing.
Bang. Okay, set it down gently, and then do a number 1.
Yep. Done? Yep. Can I mix the powder off?
1 more minute, and we should be good.
Yep.
That's Okay.
Tracky.
Tell them, you know what kind of pan we're gonna use?
A donut pan. I bet Kes will love these ones.
Oh boy. Does she love donuts or what?
She just loves the sprinkles.
I don't know. We'll have to bring her some donuts.
Chocolate on it. That looks good. Is there some powder on there?
I don't know.
Okay, let's see if we got it all.
Okay, we gotta spray our pan, then the donuts won't stick.
Yeah, then the donuts won't stick, and then they will go like this.
Slide out. They'll slip right out.
They will just be stuck in there, and then if you try to pull them out, they will just go, the frosting will just go, fling, fling, like that, Mom, right?
Yeah, exactly. Now I gotta fill these up.
Fill them up with a nice, good, big spoon.
Yep. So how do we want our donuts? Little or big?
Little biggish.
Oh, you want them in the middle, medium-sized donuts? Okay, I can get on board with that.
We're gonna bake them at 375
For 10 minutes.
for 10 minutes.
And then what should we put on top of our donuts when they're done? Should we do some frosting and sprinkles?
Yeah! Let's do white frosting. Because
Mm.
white and chocolate are the best to make sprinkles. Stay tuned. We'll show you some frosting in a little bit.
Bye.
Bye. Alexa, set a 10-minute timer.
10 minutes, starting now.
Yeah. Now time for some frosting.
Just like this.
Swirl around.
And what'd you make your frosting on? Do you remember?
What?
Powdered sugar and milk.
Powdered sugar and milk. Choop,
And
choop.
you can do like this too. Watch me. Oh, watch out.
Choop, choopy, choop, choop. Look at that donut. It's so yummy. Yeah. Get yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yummy, yummy.
Saucy, so to this one a little bit.
There you have a bon appetit.
How is it?
Good?